Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today, something special. I got a pair of kicks from the latest collaboration from Adidas and the Bathing Ape. It comes in this very nice blue box. This is called the Campus 80s Bape. It's only one colorway, which is the brown colorway. Right, got this from the Adidas Malaysia app. And the box quality is amazing, really nice. It's got the shiny bits here, reflective of course. You got the logo here, very nice. Nothing underneath here. Alright, so we got a size tag, Adidas logo here. Again, fantastic box, the quality is amazing. Here you got the 30th anniversary of the Bape print, just leave it here. And on the inside you have the this envelope, which of course has the spare laces, orange vibe to it. All right, you can see that. Let's pull it out a little bit. See the tips. Okay. Whoops. Okay. There you go. Can you see that? So okay, you got the Japanese wording here. All right, that's pretty cool. Let's put this aside. Bape paper, and with any luxury pair of kicks, you've got the shoe bag, of course, again with the blue camo, right, with the Bathing Ape and Adidas logo as well. Put that aside. And on the inside, you get the lovely pair of Campus 80s shoes. Now these are my first Campus, but always an Adidas fan, of course. You got a tag here, you got a beautiful gold lace lock right here. Very nice. It comes out. Alright, very nice. It's got that almost dark chocolate charcoal mix colorway, which is nice. The front you got the white Bapesta print, Bathing Ape in gold. And on the inside, you have the Adidas 3 stripes. And again, the texture for the laces are the same as the spare ones, which is orange. This one is got a bit of a reflective, glossy brown, dark brown. On the shoelaces, which is quite nice texture. The total 30 years logo embossed. Size tag. On the inside you got a very nice inner sole right there, pretty cool design. What does it say? What, pure leather? Right, it's not pig leather, so don't have to worry about that. The inner lining is pretty okay, pretty soft. Alright, this feels like the current Superstar tongue, quite flexible. All right, which is good. On the inside, you got the standard Adidas print soles, whatever you want to call them, and the tags, pretty standard right there. Yeah, simple shoe. Definitely, you can see the throwback to the Adidas Superstar Campus look. It's a very classic, simple look, easy to pull off, and yeah, it's pretty nice. On the back, you got the Bapesta logo there. Overall, it's a very simple shoe. I like it a lot. All right, definitely. It's got a nice feel to it. And it's pretty unique as well. The packaging is amazing, as always. So you can see on the left side of the shoe, the arrangement of the logos are a little bit different. So for the left side, the Bapesta is facing inwards. The outside is the Adidas 3 stripes, and then you have campus right here. Right on the left side would be the bathing ape right there. So right there. So pretty cool. 30 logos as well. I like this a lot. Pretty cool. Just stands out. So on the back as well, the heel, you've got different logos. So yeah, nice shoe, pretty simple. Check out my IG if you want to see the on-feet review. But overall, I think these are a nice pair of shoes. Very simple, classic. Adidas and Bathing Ape has been coming out with a lot of variety lately, the past few years. I got a view on it, but so far I think the only one that really captures my attention is this, and probably the dark green ones. I think, yeah, there's been a few releases so far, so yeah, looks nice. So hopefully the on feet should be just as good. Alright, hope you liked the video. Subscribe, comment, follow me on the IG at LKHOE23, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.